In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with WordPress. This is a great way to keep your team updated automatically whenever something important happens on your website. For example, you can send alerts to Slack when a new post is published, when someone registers, or when activity happens on your store or membership site. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on setting up a simple notification for newly published posts, and we'll do it without writing any code by using Uncanny Automator. To get started, log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. From the menu on the left, go to Plugins, then Add New. In the search box, type Uncanny Automator. Once you find it, click Install Now, and then click Activate. After activation, follow the quick setup wizard on screen to create a free Uncanny Automator account and connect it to your site. This plugin acts as the automation engine that will link WordPress and Slack together. Next, you'll connect your Slack workspace. In your WordPress sidebar, go to Automator, then Settings. At the top, click the App Integrations tab. Scroll through the available integrations until you find Slack, then click on it. Now click the Connect Slack Workspace button. A secure authorization window will appear. Make sure the correct Slack workspace is selected, and then click Allow to approve the connection. This gives WordPress permission to send messages into your Slack channels. Once that connection is ready, it's time to build the automation. Go to Automator and click Add New. Choose the logged in user's recipe type. Since the person publishing the post will typically be logged in, then click Confirm. At the top of the editor, give your recipe a clear name. Something like Slack Alert, New Post Published. Naming recipes clearly is helpful if you plan to build more automations later. Now set up the trigger and the action. In the trigger section, choose WordPress as the integration. From the event list, select a user publishes a post. Leave it set to any type of post if you want flexibility, or change it to a specific post type if needed, then save it. Under the action section, click Add Action and choose Slack. Then select Send a Message to a Channel. Pick the Slack channel where you want the alert to appear. In the message box, write your notification and use the token button to insert dynamic details like the post title and post URL. Then click Save. Finally, go to the top right corner of the recipe editor and switch the recipe from draft to live. To test everything, create a quick post on your WordPress site and publish it. Then open Slack and check your selected channel. You should see your new automated alert appear with the post title and link. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.